Good morning, eighth graders. It is Tuesday. It is January 31st. It is the last day of January. We are almost on to February. Hopefully, you are staying warm on this bitterly cold morning. I think my truck said like a 13 below when I was driving down the road, so it's cold enough for me. All right. So we're going to bump things around a little bit. We are going to get into our chemical, physical weathering cut paste activity. This is going to broaden your understanding of chemical and physical weathering. So I can describe examples of physical weathering and chemical weathering. So with our reading that we did yesterday, I want you to provide me with one example of physical weathering and one example of chemical weathering on your do now sheet. Write that down. Some examples of physical weathering may include temperature change, pressure change, animal action, wind, water, gravity, plant growth, roots. Those are all things that could be classified as physical weathering. Chemical weathering, reactions with oxygen, reactions with acid rain, reactions with acid in the groundwater, reactions with acid in living things. Do you notice the word reactions at the start of every one of those examples? So again, we're having some sort of chemical reaction. We'll watch a short video clip on weathering and erosion. And then we will get into our cut and paste. So I will attach the activity here. If you have the supplies at home, feel free to try to tackle this at home. If you want to wait until you come back, you can wait until you come back. Basically, what we're looking at is one side of the worksheet is all chemical, and the other side of the worksheet is all physical. So you're going to have a whole bunch of little boxes that you're going to cut out, and you're going to lay down the cause of physical weathering, give the description, and then you'll draw a picture. You'll notice that the boxes are all sized differently, so you'll be able to see here are all the causes, and then at the bottom will be all the descriptions. So you'll cut those out. We will glue them down where they belong and then draw a picture. Make sure again that you are getting the correct side. One side of the worksheet is all chemical, the other side of the worksheet is all physical. And that is that. That's what we're working on today. So again, just furthering our understanding of physical and chemical weathering. So don't get any paper cuts. Paper cuts are just trees that are getting revenge. Remember that. All right. And we'll get some work time today. Have a wonderful day. Stay warm. And I will see you tomorrow.